My name is Michael Roach. I'm a culinary student today, and I'm amped to be graduating. Your education at Escoffier will be what you make it. Learning the skill set behind what you think you always know how to do really enhances it that much more. I feel like I'm prepared to start laying a foundation for more. My ultimate dream is opening my own restaurant.
I started school about 5 months after I moved to the USA. I appreciate that they were very patient with me because I had just moved in and I didn't know what I was doing. They're part of my family now and I'm part of theirs too.
As instructors, we care so much about our students on an individual and an educational basis. We watch you grow, we watch you develop, you expand your skills and broaden your horizons.
We have come from far and wide to follow a passion that has called us into action. Like many others before you, you have big dreams and wide-eyed ambition. These things are great motivators, but they don't set you apart from anyone else.
Show off your victories no matter how small they are. Don't ever doubt yourself. Look at how far you've come.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the graduates of the Auguste Escoffier School of Culinary Arts.